Hi. I just want to show you how to exchange your defective front light. You only need 4mm Allen key and also like a 2mm Allen key. First step, if your light cable is just like teared off, you can dismount the front light with a 4mm Allen key. You just completely turn out the bolt. But the main part, which I want to show you, is the how to unplug the light connector. And it's quite easy. Also, like turn the handlebar sideways, because then the front light is out of the way. Pull the light cable a little bit up. Then you can insert the 2mm Allen key. Just completely loosen the bolt, and then you can lightly pull on the cable to get the insert out. Don't pull it too far, because otherwise internally you will pull out the cable. That's the insert with the groove for the cable connector. And then just look that your hands are not greasy, that you have a good grip, and then you, like me, just pull it out, and then you can install the new light, and you plug it in, back again, zack. There's a little groove for the cable. Sieht man das auf dem Video?
Ja.
Okay. So insert it, and then it holds the cable connector in place, and then you push it back inside the frame. And tighten the bolt back again. You don't need excessive force, it's just like that it's tight, and then it's fine.